Today we will try to find out how to change camera's image settings using the DMSS app. Open the DMSS app in your mobile. Now select the device whose settings you want to change. Tap on three dots, select device details, tap on more, tap on remote configuration, tap on image adjustment, select the channel or camera. Now tap on third option, select it to change the brightness. Now you can change the brightness with these two buttons. Now select it to change the contrast. Now you can also change the contrast with these two buttons. Select it to change colors. Now the colors will also change with these two buttons. With all these controls you can customize the image. You can also select another camera and change its settings. So go back and select another camera. Now you can change all the settings of this camera in the same way. If you face any difficulty, you can also comment to me.